Hey everyone, how are you? Good? Very good? Tell me in the comments. So, I'm here with yet another video, and this time we are going to talk about why you should learn JavaScript. And I know there are a lot of videos out there that talks about the exact same thing, but in this video we are going to cut to the chase and we are going to take a look at some of the facts that can really tell you whether learning JavaScript is really worth your time or not. So let's begin. So whether you should learn JavaScript or not, let me start with my short answer. It's a yes, and there are a lot of reasons behind it, and we are going to take a look at all those reasons now. The very first reason, JavaScript is the most commonly used programming language. And this is not only now, it's been consistent on that top spot from past 8 years. And this is a survey done by Stack Overflow, which you all must be knowing. And I think you will trust Stack Overflow on this. And as per Stack Overflow, world's 95% websites uses JavaScript today. And by 95%, I mean 1.52 billion. Yes, on the World Wide Web, right now there are 1.52 billion websites that uses JavaScript. And this includes Google, YouTube, Facebook, and all your favorite websites. So this means the World Wide Web cannot function without JavaScript. And this itself is enough reason to learn JavaScript, because as the popularity of internet growing, the demand of JavaScript developers is going to grow. Reason number 2, the job opportunities. As per a survey done by DevSkiller, 75% companies are looking for JavaScript developers. Yes, you heard me right, 75%. I mean, take a look at this graph. JavaScript is 75% and the next skill that comes very close to it is SQL, and that is 63%. And JavaScript has been on the top on this list, I don't know since when. So yes, this is another reason to learn JavaScript right now. Reason number 3, JavaScript is easier to learn comparing to other programming languages. And I hope most of the developers would agree with me here, because if you have worked on multiple technologies, you will definitely find that coding with JavaScript is easier. So if you are a beginner or if you are new to this programming world, then learning JavaScript could be very helpful for your career, because it's not only easy to learn, it gives you plethora of job opportunities. Now this brings us to a real question. How you can learn JavaScript for free? Spoiler alert, I am promoting my YouTube video here. So I'm glad that you asked, because I have recently published a crash course on JavaScript, and this course is absolutely free for all. In this 3-hour long crash course, we are covering all the fundamentals of JavaScript, including what are variables in JavaScript, what are data types in JavaScript, what are strings, what are arrays, what are objects, what is conditional statement in JavaScript, how you can use loops in JavaScript, or even some cool ES6 features like arrow functions or spread syntax or destructuring an object. And in the end of this crash course, you will also learn about the DOM API. That means how you can handle the browser events in JavaScript to make your websites dynamic. So just give me the 3 hours of your time, and in return, I'll make you a confident JavaScript developer. The link of the course is in the description. Reason number 4, learning JavaScript doesn't only make you a web developer, you can do much more than that. When JavaScript was first introduced, it was introduced as a client-side language. That means it was primarily focused to run in your web browsers. But after the introduction of Node.js in 2008, you can build your backend applications with JavaScript. So that means you can build your front end with JavaScript, you can build your backend with JavaScript, you can even build your mobile applications with JavaScript. So there are frameworks like React Native which can help you to build your mobile applications for both iOS and Android platform using JavaScript. And not only that, you can even build these desktop applications using JavaScript. And a good example of that is VS Code. And I'm sure you all must be using VS Code as your code editor. If not, then you should definitely give it a try. And VS Code is built with JavaScript. Did you know that? If not, I was the first one to tell you, right? So give this video a thumbs up. Reason number 5, and this is a big one. I'm sure whenever you are learning a new technology, you always think about whether this technology is going to be outdated or whether this technology is going to be replaced in so and so years. This is not going to be the case with JavaScript, because as the popularity of internet is growing, so does the number of websites coming up every day. And with each new website, we have more opportunities as JavaScript developers, because your web browser natively understands JavaScript. To make a web page, you need three basic things. You need HTML that decides the layout of your web page. You need CSS that stylizes your web page or that designs your web page. And you need JavaScript to make your web page interactive. And in this modern era, each and every website is interactive, because without user interaction, the website doesn't gather much views. That's how the world works now. So yeah, these are some primary reasons to learn JavaScript, and I hope these helped you decide whether you should learn JavaScript or not. I know most of the audience on this channel comes from Salesforce background, and they know the importance of JavaScript since the ages of Visual Force pages. And with the introduction of new frameworks like Aura and LWC, learning JavaScript is becoming an essential thing for any Salesforce developer as well. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your connections, and tell me what you want next from SFDC Facts Academy in the comments.